Hello, traders. Now I will once again share with you useful information that will help you develop your skills. And I also want to give you a present. I use for market analysis a unique advisor, a robot that collects indicator data in real time and presents it in a convenient format, immediately recommending which way to open a deal. Take it right now, free of charge, link in the description. You will also get a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus. Promo code works on the first deposit. So, I got my first signal from MaxBot. All indicators are screaming bullish trend in the coming minutes. Active buy. I think we can try to take advantage of it. By the way, you can get information from the bot every minute. The bot updates the data once a minute. This is convenient for making adjustments to the Takiku if something goes wrong. Look guys, I can see from the historical data that for a long time price has been moving in a flat state. The bulls have a volume advantage and are gradually pushing the price higher, but the bears are fighting a decent battle. I think that there is a possibility of a slight decline in price, after which there will be a rebound to the upside from the new support zone. Let's wait for the end of the trade. MaxBot is not a dough button, it is a quality, working tool that will help you in trading, but you need to learn how to use it, and then the probability of correct trades will be about 80%. I have increased the speed of the price movement for ease of viewing this video. Attention! We are running a massive contest on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for one random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Guys, I decided to use the Martingale strategy in this situation. Why? Because the bears were able to resist and change the market situation. I realize, based on the indicators, that the bulls are still capable of growth, but it will be slower than I need within the selected 5-minute time frame. That is why I doubled the investment amount and used Martingale. So, it made me a profit. Yeah, plus $677. I was able to make money even in such an unconventional situation. Guys, in trading it's very important to think and keep your hand on the pulse. The robot helps me in 2 clicks to instantly see a cross-section of information on key indicators. I see the bot's advice. I see the market through its eyes. I analyze it and come to more correct conclusions than before. You can act like this too, it's a useful skill. I will now work with the Australian, American dollar currency pair. The expiry time is 5 minutes. I invest 1% of the amount on the account, clearly observing money management. So, the recommendation from the artificial intelligence is an active buy. But in this case, there is one indicator that disagrees. What does it mean? It means that I will closely monitor the market to adjust my tactics in time. Yes, you have to be careful here. Let's go. I think that in the coming minutes the bulls will not give up their positions and the bears will only occasionally be able to break the support zone. I think most indicators see a bullish trend because this momentum is long-term. Buyers have been actively saturating the market with volumes for the past hour. I think we are in for moments of increased volatility and bounces both on the downside and a new break of the resistance zone. Failing in trading? Don't quit. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. If you've been struggling in trading, let me tell you something straight up. It's not about the markets being unfair, it's about how you're playing the game. And the first thing you need to master is money management. Think of your trading account as a bucket of water. Every trade you make is like scooping water out of that bucket. If you're reckless, dumping half the water with one risky trade, what happens? The bucket empties out fast. But if you only take a tiny scoop, 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade, you'll have plenty left to weather the dry spells. Here's the truth. Losses will happen. It's not a matter of if, but when. The key isn't avoiding them, it's managing them. By keeping your risk small, you give yourself the breathing room to survive losing streaks. Trading is a numbers game, and the longer you stay in the game, the more chances you have to win. Think of it like a professional poker player. They don't bet their entire stack on one hand, no matter how good it looks. They manage their chips wisely, so they can stay in the game long enough to capitalize on opportunities. Be the poker player, not the gambler. Guys, I saw a situation similar to the last deal again. Yes, I used Martingale again, doubled my investment and entered the market. I want to cash out and make money. In this situation, bulls should show strength, and it is expected. A bot is not a dough button, it is a quality, working tool that will help you in trading, but you need to learn how to use it, and then the probability of correct trades will be about 80%. I use the results of its analytics for objective decisions. I've hit the target again. Yes, a timely adjustment brought me $483. That's great. It's time for the final trade of the day. I'll work with one more currency pair. The euro and the British pound. $847 is my investment. Guys, pick up the bot for free right now if you haven't already. The link is in the description. In the meantime, it gave me a new prediction. It's an active buy. This is where the indicators are maximizing confidence in the buyers to go up. I agree. The bot updates market data once a minute. By the way, friends, in addition to the bot, you will get access to VIP chat with signals and market analysis from experienced experts. Based on historical data right now, you can see an entertaining trend. Look, friends, the bulls are moving upwards as confidently as possible. Their volumes are growing, they have no equal. In this case, I caught the strongest impulse, which should bring me a profit, and the Martingale strategy will not be needed. I just have to wait a little longer. Now, let's talk about patience, something most traders lack, especially in the beginning. Here's the thing. Trading isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. If you rush into the market looking for quick wins, you're setting yourself up for quick losses. Think of the market like the ocean. You can't control the waves, but you can learn to surf. And good surfers know when to wait for the right wave. Every trade you make should feel like a calculated move, not a desperate leap. If the setup isn't perfect, sit on your hands. Watch. Wait. The market isn't going anywhere. Imagine you're planting a tree. You don't plant a seed and dig it up every 5 minutes to see if it's growing. You water it, you nurture it, and you give it time. The same goes for your trading skills, they need time and patience to grow. Losses aren't failures, they're lessons. Let's get real, losing sucks. Nobody likes to see their account balance take a hit. But here's what separates winners from quitters. Winners treat losses as lessons. Think about this. When a rocket scientist launches a spacecraft, do they expect everything to go perfectly the first time? No. They test. They fail. They learn. Each failure brings them closer to the perfect launch. Your losses in trading work the same way. Each one is teaching you something. Maybe you entered too early. Maybe you ignored a key signal. Whatever the reason, there's always a lesson to be learned. The only real failure in trading is giving up. As long as you're learning from your mistakes, you're still moving forward. So, the bears woke up to the close of the trade, but the bulls were able to hold off the onslaught and bring me a profit. In total for 3 trades I earned $1,803. I was attentive, received data from the robot and adjusted my decisions to stay on top. You can do it too, friends, practice. Did you like the video? Like, subscribe and get the bot for free at the link in the description. Bye.